This is the FarmGeo raised garden bed kit, and they've sent it to me to review, and I couldn't be more happier. This thing turned out great. It was easy for me to put together and just the right height to put in a nice flower bed or planting bed for my vegetables. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box, and I'll show you how I set it up. So don't let the size of this box fool you. This thing is heavy, and it has everything you need to set up the 8-foot by 2-foot garden bed. So that's the one I have here, is the 8-foot by 2 feet. And let's go ahead and look inside. So you can see all the metal curved pieces there on the top, and on the bottom are all the flat side panels. Okay, and next is the hardware. And you can see it comes in that bag, plus there's this little wrench type of thing. And okay, let's go ahead and take these. There's 50 pieces in this bag. Let's go ahead and dump them in this plastic container that came with the kit. That's pretty nice, a way to hold them all. Now this is a piece of plastic that goes around the outside of the planter box to keep it protected. Okay, let's take a closer look at the instructions. Pretty clear. Just make sure you look at the one that's for the size you're doing. Okay, so I've gone ahead and put the planter box together in my home, and then my husband and I carried it out here. We located a place in our yard that we wanted to place it, and it's right on top of some cement here. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down some landscape fabric just so that the soil doesn't run out from underneath the flower bed. Because it is on cement, this will help prevent that. Okay, so I'm just moving that fabric around so that it's around all the edges, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my soil. So in case you're wondering, I used 21 cubic feet of soil. I think that's what's recommended, and so I actually picked up 3 cubic feet packages, 7 of them, to make 21 feet of soil. So I just dumped each of those bags into the garden bed, the raised garden bed, until it was full, and it did take all 7 bags. So anyway, it turned out really great. I just spread the soil around, and then we went to the nursery and we picked out our plants. I have an artichoke plant, some Swiss chard, and some spinach, also some butter lettuce. Anyway, I'm really excited about my garden, and I think that this flower bed was just the perfect thing for me to get my fall garden started. And I can't wait to use this again in the spring for my spring summer garden. We really love this, and we think you're going to love it too.